This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with the prop rod. The PCV valve is located on the right side of the valve cover. To inspect the PCV valve, and with the engine off, first unclip any interfering wiring harnesses and position them aside. Disconnect the hose from the fitting. Unscrew the metal retaining sleeve with a box end wrench, then lift it off of the PCV valve. Pull the PCV valve out of the valve cover using a pair of needle nose pliers. Shake the PCV valve, listening for a rattle. If the valve doesn't rattle, replace it with a new one. Make sure the PCV valve and hose is not plugged with old dirt residue and that the vacuum is allowed to pass through without obstruction. Push the valve into the valve cover until it's seated. Install the metal retainer. Tighten it securely onto the PCV valve. Connect the PCV hose to the valve and attach the necessary wiring harnesses and clips to their original position.